Today I'm going to tell you what subwoofers are and what they're good for. Over here is my first subwoofer. It has a diameter of 12 inches and I get it for free from a local TV station. The reason I got it for free is because everything over there was outdated. Over here, I have a 15-inch subwoofer. I got this from a speaker system. Subwoofers make very low bass frequency like or lower. Unlike the tweeters, they make frequencies. You can see here the subwoofer must flex very hard. It's also the stroboscopic effects. Today I'm going to show you the difference in sound quality between the subwoofers and the little speakers. First of all, we have the sound source. The sound source has a wire attached to it, but we cannot directly connect that wire to the subwoofer. Otherwise, the sound will be so small because the sound source has a very low signal and voltage. So we use something called an amplifier, and the amplifier's main job is to amplify that signal so it's powerful enough to drive the subwoofer and make it move. First, we are going to connect the amplifier to the 12-inch subwoofer and listen only to the 12-inch subwoofer. And the second, we're going to add in the tweeter to the speaker system. And the third, we are only going to listen to the tweeter. Now I'm going to turn on the switch so it's only the subwoofer playing. Now we're going to add in the tweeter. Now I'm going to turn off the subwoofer. So now you can hear the difference between the subwoofer and the tweeter. So in conclusion, public speakers are mostly subwoofers because they want lots of bass and louder sound. But in classical music concerts, all the subwoofers are basically off, so you can mostly hear the mid and high frequencies.